How to change control panel skins in DirectAdmin. This demo assumes you've already logged into DirectAdmin as a reseller. Now let's learn how to change control panel skins in DirectAdmin. Scroll down. Click the Skin Manager link. This is the Skin Manager page and lists all available control panel skins. We are currently using the Enhanced skin. Let's change to the default skin. As you can see, the skin has been changed immediately. Now let's change to the Power User skin. And now change back to the Enhanced skin. Or delete skins from the server by clicking here. You can also change the skin display for all users in your reseller plan by clicking here. Scroll down. You can even upload new skins to DirectAdmin for use with your or your customers' accounts. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change control panel skins in DirectAdmin. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.